Welcome and thank you for your interest in Worship the King Gold. I want to give you just a really quick, like 1 minute flyover of what's in gold and what you'll be getting if you become a gold member. Now, when you become a gold member and log in, you'll get to this page and it shows all of the courses that I have on Worship the King right now, and it shows you're enrolled in all of the courses. All of these courses are for you, and I want to show you how you can dive right into them. Then I'm going to show you the 60 gold lessons. So let's imagine that you're going to start on the 30-day challenge, or let's just say Modern Worship Guitar 1. You would click on this course, it would open up this course page for you, and you'd be enrolled in the course. Then you can go all the way down to the bottom and you can click on the entire contents of the course. So let's say, let's go back down to Learn G and C, and you would click on this and it would give you all of the information that you need to know and the video and the chart to learn each lesson. There are hundreds of lessons in Worship the King Gold, and that's just one beginner part. So the other thing I have in Worship the King Gold are gold song lessons, and these I'm really excited because there are 5 learning levels. So once you learn your first 3 chords, you can play all the songs in level 1. You can simply click on Mighty to Save and see how I've produced these gold song lessons. Very unique way. You have the demonstration lesson, and the chart for Mighty to Save is there. Now, right now we're currently embedding all of these charts which show you how to play the chords, show you how to do the strumming patterns, and a lot of these lessons are embedded right in the page. So you can see the lesson, you can see the chart, and you can play the song. Let's go to one that is embedded already, and I will show you that very quickly so you can see that. Good Good Father by Chris Tomlin. And how I've taught this lesson is with a video and a chord chart. The one that I personally wrote showed you all the strumming patterns and all of the things that you need to know to do the lessons. You have 3 or 4 videos usually for each song in the gold songs, and the charts and all of the shorthand. All of these videos you can see up close, and you can see how I'm playing them, and I do a demonstration in the very beginning, and then I'll do up close videos. That is really a quick tour of gold, and I'd love to have you join at worshiptheking.com/gold.